Good morning, students. Myself, Alok Kumar Misra. Today, I am going to discuss about the solenoid. It is very important part of magnetic effect of current. With the help of flow of current in coiled wire, magnet is produced, and the magnet which is produced by the use of electric current is known as electromagnet. My aim is to discuss this solenoid which acts like electromagnet when electricity is passed through this. First of all, we need to know what do we mean by solenoid. This term, this word solenoid is derived from, or what is meaning of this word solenoid we will discuss, and how can we make solenoid in practical practices life. So these are the all points to which we can discuss in this part. Understand? Students, solenoid is term comes from Greek word which means channel. So solenoid, the meaning of solenoid is channel, in Greek word, coiled form. Understand? What is solenoid? Solenoid is a device in the form of cylindrical tube on which insulated copper wire is wrapped, wounded in many times, and if the ends of the laminated copper wire is connected with source of electricity, rheostat and switch, and if switch is in on position, current starts to flow. I have made a solenoid in pictorial form here to understand better the concept of solenoid. Switch is in on position and current starts to pass from this part. Okay? Now, when the current passes through the coiled form, cylindrical shape solenoid, then magnetic field is produced. Due to the production of magnetic field, it behaves as a magnet, and thus so magnet form is known as electromagnet. Now we can conclude that a current carrying solenoid behaves as an electromagnet. This is the main part of this chapters, this topic. Okay, so how can it behaves as an electromagnet? The current enters through the A point and coiling in this coiled form laminated copper wire, coiled in helical form. In helical form, helix, you can say in Hindi, you can say घुमावदार. आपने स्प्रिंग देखा होगा. Have you seen the spring in pen? Just like that, this is the solenoid, and the current passes through that. The current enters at A point and comes out from B points in hollow cylindrical form, this shape. Now, the ends behaves as a poles of the magnet. which consist of North Pole and South Pole. The field lines produced in this form, and when it comes out at that point, it becomes North Pole of the magnet, and the other points which enters the magnetic field lines we have such as South Poles. So this we have here is electromagnet, shows like electromagnet. Now hence current carrying solenoid we have as a permanent magnet, and those such magnet behaves like that is known as electromagnet. What are the factors on which electromagnet depends? These are the some factors on which electromagnets depends. Now like the strength of the electromagnet, you can use the point B. The strength of electromagnet depends upon amount of flow of current. If the amount of flow of current increases, the strength of the solenoid increases and it becomes more stronger. A strong electromagnet is formed. So B depends upon I. Equation number 1. Second, B also depends the number of turns in the solenoid. The number of turns in the solenoid and directly proportional. B is directly proportional to the number of turns in the solenoid and directly proportional to the amount of flow of current. Okay? I am going to join this, combining these two laws. Hence, B proportional to N into I. N into put. Remove the constant of proportionality. In higher classes, it will be equal to mu naught N into I. This is the formula of the strength of the magnetic field produced in the solenoid having some current. This is the most important part. Okay, understand this. So this is the fine. Now what is in number of turns? Number of turns per unit length. If the closeness of the number of turns increases, strength of the magnet increases. What are the uses of the electromagnet solenoid? So it is first used in various electrical devices. In practical life, electric bell, loudspeaker, generator, transformer, transmitters, transistors. There are so many. Motor and generator, very important in this. Electromagnet is used. Why we should use electromagnet? From the electromagnet we get desired value of the strength of the magnet, and we can change the polarity. If it behaves till the electromagnet, till the flow of current, and if the terminals of the source of electricity changes, then the polarity of the north and south pole becomes reverse. North pole becomes south and south pole becomes north. Understand? So this is quality, these properties of the electromagnet plays very important role. That's why it is used in various fields of the science. Understand? So what are second? It is used in making permanent magnet. A soft iron core rod is inserted. I have just drawn here. AB is a soft iron core inserted in this coil, and if it is connected to the source of battery and allowed to pass the current is allowed to pass through this. After some times, one edge becomes north pole and other becomes south pole. How it becomes? Just you can see that if the current, the point at which the current moves clockwise, that point becomes south pole, and the points where the current moves in anti-clockwise, that becomes north pole of the soft iron core, and thus it is formed as permanent electromagnet. Permanent electromagnet. So these are the property of the electromagnet solenoid, which are used in various field of the science and in our daily life, in electric bell, generator, motor, loudspeakers, and so on. Okay, I hope that this part of the electromagnet plays helps you to increase your knowledge in the field of magnet. Thank you.